I'm Edgar Sandoval, and thanks for checking out another edition of Concept to Reality. You see them everywhere, CAT machines essentially assembling the world. But seeing the folks assemble the actual machines is pretty cool too.
It starts with getting raw material to the lines.
We just have a common goal. We work well together. It's like clockwork.
I'm always super impressed by what they do because the only line I'm qualified to work on is a punch line.
But seriously, it'll come in as bare metal, all types of sizes assembled and painted along the way. Assemblers like these in Decatur, Illinois take great pride in seeing it come in one way and leaving as finished product.
Assemblers, their job is to assemble safely and effectively and to do it correctly. That way, just putting out the highest quality that we can.
They're doing something similar each week on the CAT racing side.
It's simple, but it's complicated all at the same time. There's a lot that goes into it.
At Richard Childress Racing, they're building a car every week for this guy. And it begins with the brakes.
While the brakes are getting put in, wiring's getting put in before any other mechanical stuff gets put on the car. That's obviously attached right to the frame, and that's the hardest to get to, so kind of like an assembly line, we start with the heart of it and work our way out.
A typical NASCAR race takes about 3 hours. These guys can put together the car in about the same amount of time.
The cars are assembled in an area called the rows, because that's where everything is lined up in the heart of the campus. And later in the process, it means bringing in the engine, also assembled there, and a little bit different than our CAT engines.
We know exactly how the engine is going to be used. We know the speed range it's going to run, we know how long it's going to be at throttle, we know how many miles it has to last. So the engines are built specifically for the track and driver that we're going to each week.
And whether it's a race car or a CAT machine, assemblers share a strong bond and a desire to get the job done right.
What makes my team special is the knowledge that we have and how we have each other's back